to take screenshots on Windows laptop. Capturing screenshots on Windows proves highly advantageous for various work-related activities, record keeping, and effectively illustrating software issues during technical support inquiries. Windows offers a range of methods to achieve this, and here are some of the available options that work seamlessly on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here are the ways to take screenshots on Windows laptop. Number 1. The Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool stands as the main built-in choice for capturing screenshots. While it may not possess an extensive array of features, it enables users to precisely select and capture specific sections of their desktop display. Here's a guide on how to use Snipping Tool. First, type Snipping Tool into the taskbar search box and select the app. In Windows 11, Microsoft recommends using Snip and Sketch or the Win and Shift and S shortcut, but the Snipping Tool is still available. Now, once opened, the Snipping Tool provides 4 capturing options: Freeform Snip, Rectangular Snip, Window Snip, and Full Screen Snip. Now select the desired capturing mode. The screen will adjust accordingly. The Snipping Tool also offers a delay feature for capturing precise moments. After capturing a screenshot, the Snipping Tool allows light editing before saving. In Windows 11, the editing screen may appear automatically or require selecting a notification. Number 2. Snip and Sketch. Snip and Sketch is Microsoft's newer snipping utility and can be accessed through the Start menu or the Win, Shift, and S shortcut. Here's how to utilize it. When employing the keyboard shortcut, a toolbar will emerge at the upper part of the screen. Snip and Sketch saves screenshots to the clipboard initially, providing options to edit within the app. Users can crop the image and apply various annotations using the available tools. To save the edited image, choose the disk icon or use the Open With option to utilize an external image editor. Number 3. Keyboard shortcuts. Print screen. Windows offers 6 keyboard shortcuts for capturing screenshots. 3 utilize the print screen key, while the others involve the Windows key. Number 1. Print screen. Captures the entire screen, sending the image to the clipboard. If the button doesn't work on its own, try pressing Function along with print screen. Number 2. Win Shift S. Opens the Snip and Sketch or the new Snipping Tool app in Windows 11, allowing various capturing modes without saving as a file. Number 3. Alt and Print Screen. Captures the active window, sending the image to the clipboard. Number 4. Win, Alt, and Print Screen. Captures only the active window and saves the image as a file. Number 5. Win and Print Screen. Captures the entire screen and saves the image as a file. Number 6. Win and G. Opens the Xbox game bar for capturing screenshots within games. Taking screenshots on Windows is a flexible and uncomplicated feature, enabling users to easily record information or request support when necessary.